Hi everybody, welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can convert this character to Metahuman. So this is 3D Scan Store website and I will use directly this character and create everything from scratch, including clothes. So let's open Maya and go to Genetics. Inside Genetics, Metapipe has specific gene files for ScanStore, Texturing XYZ, and DAS characters. And today we are using ScanStore. So as you can see inside custom template, I typed ScanStore and clicked on updates. And as you can see, the mesh type is full and final topology is custom topology. Let's go back and import our character. It is too small right now, as you can see. Let's multiply it with 100 and let's freeze translations and delete history. Okay. First, we need to create our Metahuman. All we need to do is just click on this mesh and click on Gene Transfer. And then we can use the Join Transform function by selecting body, head, and also the eyes. But before clicking Join Transform, go to Settings and check Batch Import Off, Save DNA On, Build Body On, and for the Build Body options, I will use Legacy because I don't want to change the pose. So let's go back, select your meshes and click on Join Transform. Okay, here is our full body mesh and this is ScanStore topology. It's not Metahuman topology. So let's import our clothes back. And right now we can use our new system, the suits. Let's go back and open up suits. Let's get closer. So the usage of this where function is very simple. There is only one setting, and this is also a simple setting that smooths the skin weights. That's all. And it is recommended to set it to 3, but if you have a dense mesh, a high polygon topology mesh, you can increase this number to any number. It's just about testing and you just need to see the result. So I keep it on 3 and this is a good number to start with. Let's go back and let's click on shirt and click on wear. And let's rig the jacket as well. Click on the jacket and click on wear. If you have a dense mesh, you may wait a little longer, but not too much. And let's test our rig. And it works like that. Let's check the topology and we will see this kind of issue. It's happening because of the intersecting points of the arm and the body. So to solve this, we need to calculate this area again. So I opened my arms and make sure that the pose are still is okay to catch every point. And while it's selected, I will click on where again. And right now, as you can see, it is way much better. You can play with this number in here. You can increase it, decrease it to see if it helps to you. But again, this is not for making things 100% perfect. It's similar to Mixamo. You may need to fix some weights manually. But this works, I think, okay for some scenarios. It is working like this. So for the rest, the process is very similar. Like you just need to click on this and then click on where, and it just binds it to the mesh. So as you can see, this is working. And go down, click on pants and click on where. Again, for the pants, there is some intersecting or very close points to each other in here. So when you open your legs like this, you may get this kind of result. You can just maybe increase this number to, let's say, 6 and then update and then go back and click on where again. And as you can see, it is way much better. Let's play with this. It is really good. Let's hide the other meshes to see it. Let's reset our controls and yeah, it works perfectly. Maybe just some clipping in here. Let's reset it and then check this. Yeah, it has a very good starting point. Let's unhide our meshes. So let's do the same thing to the shoes. It's basically the same process. I will go back and make it to 3 again because 3 is working. Click on the shoe and wear. Click on the other shoe again and click on wear. And let's check our rigging, and it works really good, even with the extreme poses. So Metapipe binds the objects according to the distance of the original mesh and gets the skeleton data. So because there are some toes in here, it will bind your shoe mesh to the toe. So if you move the toes separately, you will get this kind of result. But if you move it from this part, you will get this deformation. Okay, so let's close up to the face and let's bind those meshes. I don't recommend to bind eyebrows with this because you will have some blend shapes on the face. That's why skin weights won't work on those meshes. So I will hide this for now. I will hide this as well. I will hide this as well. But we can bind the glasses and the earrings. To bind those meshes, we will use an old function, which is connect rig. Click on connect rig and then choose your body part, which is head, and then choose the skeleton name, the head, and it will bind it to the head. As you can see, it follows the head mesh. We can do the same thing for the earring. Just click on connect rig, head, head. And for the hair, even there is a lot of meshes on top of each other, wear works with this kind of meshes as well. You just need to do is click on wear, that's all. And it is binded. So let's test it. As you can see, it works really good. And that's it. That's all you need to know with this wear function. It is very simple. You just need to select the mesh and click on wear. If you see some problems on the areas that close to each other, just move the skeleton and wear this again. And that's it. For the rest, you can use the rest of the Metapipe functions, which is you can go back to genetics and click on material assign, and it will assign all the materials to all the meshes. And then basically just delete the unnecessary meshes and then click on export. And that's it. Good luck with your metahumans and bye.